Welcome to PlantHaven Digital Trials, coming to you from Santa Barbara, California. Introducing PlantHaven's SCENTIFALL Rose program, the first high health roses bred by Thompson & Morgans in the UK. SCENTIFALL have wonderful lush green foliage and beautiful fragrant blooms. The selection in front of me is SCENTIFALL Lemon with wonderful deep lemon yellow flowers aging to a soft lemon cream. Next to this is the beautiful selection SCENTIFALL Blush, where the blooms open a lovely candy pink and age to a soft pearl white. Both selections have been selected for their wonderful high health properties. No spraying has been put on any of these plants, either in fungicide or in plant growth regulators. They're great for a nice, natural, compact habit. We recommend growing them with 3 inputs per plant. The plants in front of me have been finished in 14 weeks from 50 cell starts. SCENTIFALL roses are great for 2-gallon traditional rose production, or grow them as a premium item like these 14-inch baskets or the premium cachets. SCENTIFALL are Zone 5 hardy. They're great for adding beautiful fragrance to your garden. Following the first bloom, we recommend trimming back the plants and they will re-bloom for you in 6 to 8 weeks, giving you a wonderful long season of fragrance in your garden.